Hey, Kharisma here. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a money manifestation meditation. And in this meditation, it's going to be a series of affirmations that I want you to repeat for the next 21 days. Are you ready? Grab your paper and pen and let's get started. I want you to close your eyes and take a deep breath. Exhale. Second deep breath in. Exhale. And on the last breath in, I want you to hold it a little bit longer. And exhale. I am abundant. Today, I welcome money into my life. Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. Today, I am hyper aware of the money-making opportunities that are available to me. I am open and ready to receive new streams of income. Today, I activate my wealth potential. I am abundance personified. Today, I see evidence of money all around me. I am a prosperity magnet. Today, I open and am available to money-making opportunities. My inner guidance reveals countless profitable ideas. Today, I act on inspired ideas. I am a money magnet. I attract money to me with grace and ease. Money loves me, and I love money. Money is flowing to me unexpected and expectantly. Today, I am a channel for money to come to me in different ways. I am available and ready to do my part for money to come to me with grace and ease. I am attracting money everywhere I go. I am making money whether I'm asleep or awake. Money flows into my life every single day. Money is a tool. Money is a resource. Money is good for me and it's good for the world. I love money and money loves me. Money and I are one. Money is energy, and so am I. I am available to use money as a resource to help make a difference in this world. I am here to have an impact, and money is one of those tools that I desire to help me fulfill my mission here on earth. Money is good. Money is neutral. Money is a great tool. I love money and money loves me. I am open to receiving money with grace and ease. I am abundant. I am wealthy. I am wealthy. I am a purpose-driven woman with a mission to fulfill on this earth, and money is my friend. I hope that this video has served you. I want you to repeat these affirmations and do this meditation for the next 21 days. Repeat, write these affirmations out, and go over them at least twice a day for the next 21 days. and be prepared for the miraculous of money, opportunities, connections to show up in your life. Let me know in the comments below, when you do this affirmations for the next 21 days, what are some of those miracles that you are experiencing in your life when it relates to money, abundance, opportunity, connections, anything juicy and good? Share it with me below this video. I love to hear the feedback of you taking this journey over the next 21 days. Do share this video with someone you know that this content will be of value to. Like and subscribe, join the family here, and also follow me on Instagram at Kharisma_Aro, ARO. And if you do desire deeper support, join me in the Dare to Be Iconic Club, where you will be mentored, guided, and accountability will be provided to you to help you really take your life and business to the next level. In the Dare to Be Iconic Club is where we talk all about manifestation. We talk about money. We talk about attracting, earning, and receiving money. You know, whether that's through your business, was through just being available to attract money from all forms, expected or unexpected. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. The link is below this video in the description. Until next time, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.